Good morning, student. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study Maths of Class 6, Chapter number 3, Playing with Number, Exercise 3D. Question number 1. Find the SE of the following numbers. First part 18 and 48. Exercise 3D. Question number 1. 1848. First, we will find the prime factorization of both the numbers. So here, the prime factorization of 18, we can write 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 is 6 and 6 3 is 18. Similarly, 48, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 3 is 48. Now, common prime factors of 18 and 48 are 2 and 3. Now, common prime factors of 18 and 48 are 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. So the SCF of 18 and 48 is 6. Similarly, second part 18 and 60. Now first we will find the prime factorization of both the numbers. So prime factors of 18 we can write as 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3 9, 9 to the 18. Similarly, prime factor of 60 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. And now here the common prime factors of 18 and 60 are common prime factors of 18 and 60 are 2 and 3, which is equal to 6. So the SCF of 18 and 60 is 6. Now rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. What is the SCF of two consecutive numbers? Second part even numbers, third part odd numbers. Now question number 2, first part. The SCF of two consecutive numbers. Suppose let the two consecutive numbers be 1 and 2. Now first step, we will find the prime factorization of both the numbers. So prime factors of 1 and 2. 1 we can write as only 1 into 1 and 2 we can write 1 into 2. Now common prime factors of 1 and 2 is 1. So SCF is also 1. Answer. Similarly, second part even numbers. Suppose two consecutive even numbers are 2 and 4. So first step, we will find the prime factors of both the numbers. So prime factors of both the numbers are, prime factors of 2 is 1 into 2 and prime factors of 4 we can write as 1 into 2 into 2. Now the common factors are 1 and 2. Now common prime factors of 2 and 4 is 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. So HCF of consecutive even number is equal to 2. Answer. Similarly, third part, odd numbers. Suppose odd numbers, first two consecutive odd number is 1 and 3. So first step, we will find the prime factorization of the number. 1 we can write at 1 into 1, and 3 1 into 3. So here the common factors are 1 and 1. Common factors of 1 and 3 is 1. So the HCF is equal to 1. Answer. Now question number third, find the greatest number which divides 245 and 1029, leaving a remainder 5 in each case. Now, exercise 3D, question number third. Since 5 is the remainder when 25, since 5 is the remainder when 245 and 1029 are divided by the required number. Now 245 minus 5 is equal to 240. Similarly, 1029 minus 5 is equal to 1024. Now these number will be exactly divisible by the required number. So the HCF of, we'll find the HCF of 240 and 1024. So the HCF of 240 and 1024 is, we'll find by the division method. Two 4 is 4 0 0, 4 for 16, carry goes 1, 4 to z 9, 960. Now 4 minus 0 4. Now we will take carry, 12, 12 minus 6 6, and 9 minus 9 0. Now 240 we'll write here. Now 64 3 is 3 4 the 12, carry goes 1, 3 6 is 18, and 119 192, minus we will get 10 minus 2 8, here we got 23, 23 minus 19 we will get 4, 48. Now 64 will come here. Now 48 ones are 48. Now 14 minus 8 6, and 5 minus 4 1. Here 48 will come. Now 16 3 is a 48. So here we will get the HCF 16. So the HCF of 240 and 1024 is 16. So the required number is 16. Answer. Now our exercise 3D is complete. Exercise 3E, question number 1. Find the LCM using the prime factorization method. Now, exercise 3E, question number 1. Find the LCM using the prime factorization method. Numbers are 48 and 60. Now, prime factorization of 48. We can write 48 as 2 into 2 into 2 to 2 into 3. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 3 is 48. Now similarly, prime factorization of 60 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 to the 4, 3 is 12, 5 is 60. Now by counting the maximum numbers of times each factors appears, we get 2 appears 4 times and 3 appears once and 5 appears once. So the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 5 is 80 and 83 is 240. So the LCM is equal to 240. Now rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now question number 2, find the LCM using the division method. Question number 2, first part. LCM of numbers, we have to find the LCM of number 6, 18, 30 and 48 by the division method. So we will divide 6, 18, 30, 48. All these numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is 2 and 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Now these numbers are divisible by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15 and 3 8 is 24. Now again by 3, 3 1 is 3, 5 will remain 5 and 8 will remain 8. Now again by 5, 5 1 is 5, 8 will remain 8. Now we will divide it by 8 divided by 2. 1 1 1, 2 4 is 8. Similarly 1 1 1, 2 2 is 4. Similarly by 2. 1 1 1 1. Now we will multiply these numbers. Now 2, now we will write as how many 2's? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 into 3 2 times, then 5 1 time. Now 2 to the 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 16 5 is 80, 16 5 is 80. Now 3 into 3 9. So it will be 900, 9 8 is 72. So this will become 720. So the LCM of 6, 18, 30 and 48 is 720. That's the answer. Now rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now we will do question number 3. The product of two numbers is 15,870 and their SCF is 23. Find the LCM. Question number 3. The product of two numbers is equal to 15,870 and SCF is equal to 23. So we have one formula related to this question. Product of two numbers is equal to the LCM into SCF. Now here, from here we have to find the LCM. So formula will become LCM is equal to product of two numbers upon SCF. Now here, product of two numbers given 15,870 and SCF is given 23. Now we will divide 15,870 by 23. On solving, we will get 690. That's the answer. Now question number 4. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 36. So simply in this question we have to find the LCM of 18, 24 and 36. So required number is equal to LCM of the numbers which are 18, 24 and 36. Now we will find the LCM by division method. 18, 24 and 36. Now 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, again by 2, 9 will remain 9. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, again by 2, 9 will remain 9, and 2 3 are 6 and 9 will remain 9. Now divided by 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3 are 9, again by 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So the LCM of 18, 24 and 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 times, and 3 1 2 2 times. This will become 2 2 the 4, 2 the 8, 8 3 the 24 and 10 24 3 the 3 4 the 12, 2 carry goes 1, 3 2 the 3 2 the 6, 3 2 6 and 1 7, 72. 72. So 72 is the answer. Now question number 5. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Now LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Now first we will do factors, or we will find it by division method. 6 8 12. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 8, 2 6 12. Now again by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 3 is 6. Now again by 2, 2 and 2, 3, again by 3, now 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8, it is 24. So the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Now required number required 3-digit number, sorry, required 3-digit number is equal to 24 into 5, which is equal to 120. Answer. Question number 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of 3 container exact numbers of times. Now in this question simply we have to find the LCM of 403, 434 and 465. So question number 7. Now prime factorization of number 403. Prime factorization 403. We can write 403 as 13 into 31. 434, we can write 434 as 2 into 7 into 31. 465 as 5 into 3 into 31. Now common factors of 403, 434 and 465 is 31. Thus the SCF of 434, 465, 403 is 31. Therefore the maximum capacity of the required container is 31 liters. Now rest of the part you will try at home. Now our exercise 3 is completed.